Hello, I am Janet Gonzalez. I am 39 years old and I study at Fundación Universitaria Compensar. My passion has always been helping animals, which is why I create this company, a home for all. My profession is assistant administrative and I work at multinational David. Our campaign aims to help homeless animals, mainly dogs and cats that have been abandoned and are living on the streets, exposed to disease, hunger, and abuse. With your help, we can save lives. Many animals suffer due to abandonment. They are left on the street without food, shelter, or medical care. Without support, their survival is at risk. Animal shelters provide a safe place, medical care, and a future full of love for these animals. However, they need resources and support to continue their work. The most essential needs for homeless animals include food and clear weather, medical care and vaccination, safe and comfortable shelter, love and socialization from volunteers. There are several ways you can contribute to this case. Make a financial donation, donate food, toys, beds, and hygiene products. Become a well and help care for the animals. Consider adopting a rescued animal. Every small gesture counts. Your donation help provide food and shelter. Your time as welder gives the animals their love they need to help and trust again. Adopting a homeless animal gives them a second chance at life. It transforms their future from suffering on the street to living in a caring home. Helping homeless animals is in our hands. We take action. We can create a community that values and protects its animals. Join our campaign today, whether through donation, volunteering, or adoption. You can make a real difference. Together, we can give this animal a home and dignified life. Thank you for your support.